In the realm of business management, having the right software tools is crucial for smooth operations, accurate financial tracking, and informed decision-making. Among the various software providers, Sage stands out as a well-established and widely adopted name. For those navigating the landscape of business software or seeking to understand its prevalence, a common question arises: which companies actually use Sage software? The answer, in short, is a vast and diverse range of businesses across numerous industries and of varying sizes. Sage's suite of software solutions caters to a broad spectrum of needs, from accounting and finance to human resources and customer relationship management. This versatility has led to its adoption by countless organizations globally. One of the key reasons for Sage's widespread use is its scalability. They offer different tiers and types of software designed to meet the specific requirements of businesses at different stages of growth. For small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, Sage often provides user-friendly and cost-effective solutions like Sage Accounting or Sage One, now part of Sage Accounting. These platforms help manage essential financial tasks such as invoicing, expense tracking, bank reconciliation, and reporting. Many startups and growing businesses find these solutions ideal for establishing a solid financial foundation without the complexities of more enterprise-level systems. As businesses expand, their needs evolve, and Sage offers more sophisticated software to accommodate this growth. Larger companies and enterprises frequently utilize solutions like Sage Intacct or Sage X3. These platforms provide advanced functionalities such as multi-currency accounting, project accounting, inventory management, supply chain management, and sophisticated reporting and analytics. These robust systems can handle the complexities of larger organizations with more intricate operational requirements. The industry landscape of Sage users is also incredibly diverse. You'll find Sage software being used extensively in sectors such as construction. Companies in the construction industry rely on Sage for project costing, job management, subcontractor management, and compliance with industry-specific regulations. Manufacturing. Manufacturers utilize Sage for inventory control, production planning, bill of materials management, and ensuring efficient supply chains. Retail. Retail businesses leverage Sage for point-of-sale integration, inventory management across multiple channels, customer management, and sales analysis. Distribution. Wholesalers and distributors use Sage for managing inventory levels, order processing, warehouse management, and streamlining logistics. Services. Various service-based businesses, from marketing agencies to IT consultancies, utilize Sage for time tracking, project billing, expense management, and client relationship management. Nonprofit organizations. Even nonprofits rely on Sage for managing their finances, tracking donations, and ensuring compliance with reporting requirements specific to the sector. It's important to understand that within these broad categories, the specific Sage products adopted can vary significantly based on the company's size, specific needs, and industry nuances. A small retail shop might use Sage Accounting for basic bookkeeping, while a large manufacturing plant would likely implement Sage X3 for its comprehensive enterprise resource planning (ERP) capabilities. While it's challenging to provide an exhaustive list of specific companies due to the sheer number of Sage users and the proprietary nature of such information, anecdotal evidence and case studies published by Sage themselves offer glimpses into the types of organizations that rely on their software. These examples often highlight the specific challenges the company faced and how Sage's solutions help them overcome those hurdles, improve efficiency, and drive growth. The longevity and reputation of Sage in the business software market also contribute to its widespread adoption. Having been a key player for decades, Sage has built a strong brand recognition and a reputation for providing reliable and well-supported software solutions. This trust factor is a significant reason why many businesses, both new and established, choose Sage as their software partner. Furthermore, Sage's extensive network of partners and resellers plays a crucial role in its reach. These partners often have deep industry-specific knowledge and can tailor Sage's solutions to meet the unique needs of businesses within those sectors. This localized support and customization enhance the value proposition of Sage software for a wide range of companies.